Hi everyone, this video is going to show you how to adjust the sunlight for natural light in cool home. We all know that in a rendering, sunlight expression is very important for indoor atmosphere. Then in cool home, we can also enhance the atmosphere of the space by adjusting the sunlight parameters in the tool. We can access the customized light window in Render. Select the base daylight setting here to create a customized light template. And then on the left panel, we will see the sunlight options. We can switch whether to turn on the sun or not, determine the color temperature by scrolling or entering a value. We can also control the brightness, altitude, solar angle, and other parameters. In either 2D or 3D views, we can all see where the sun is. A good sun setting can help you to create a distinct interior atmosphere. That is also one of the must-learn content for a good rendering. In addition, it is also necessary to learn how to use some light source as compensation. We will explain that in the next session. Thank you and see you next time.